Insta360 is addressing a concern, and that is the endurance mode. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining the channel and walking along with me on my morning routine or evening routine. I want to address another concern, and I mentioned about the light, the icons. If we choose a color and when we press that icon, the shortcut on the main screen, wouldn't you like to see it change to a color that tells you it's on? So this way your memory knows what you have on. Just pressing it once, you see a little on button, and I can't see it. I'm not sure you can't see it. And I worked with fonts, and fonts were 0.25. No way could I see that font. And what we used to do was take our phones out, take a picture, and magnify and read the serial number off of this thing that was on such a small piece of paper. I'm talking like those self-addressed postage stickers that you would get in the mail that you put on it. Smaller than that. Oh, I'm not trying to change the camera. I'm just trying to make it better for me so I can see what I'm looking at when I choose Pure Video Plus. I crossed over the street so we could look at the trees blossoming. Oh man, this one's first getting its leaves on there. As I pass the next one, I'll raise my camera up just a little bit so you get to see the tree. I'm not sure how the colors are gonna look when I pass by with the Pure Video Plus. And man, when that light hits it, it really makes it shine and looks real white like snow. When you swipe and hit your color from standard to vivid and you leave the screen on and you try to do hand gesture, it will not work. You have to get it off. And that's what I've done. So there's vivid for you. This is like a natural. Like a natural. Donovan, sang that one good. Like a natural. Yeah, man. I was laughing when you did that. I had to hold it back because I watch your videos in the wee hour, early hours. Head on over to the gentleman. Congratulate the gentleman. Wish him a belated happy birthday. He has a GoPro. He has a DJI, and now he has an Insta Ace Pro 2. And yeah, man, he's enjoying the camera, getting to learn it, and hope he has a wonderful time with the camera. So let's get on talking, get on walking. I'm shooting with the DJI Mic 2. Noise canceling is off right now. And I was told to just use the natural sounds. Shut down the mic and it stopped my video. I'm not sure why it did that. It should have continued my audio with the video. It basically stopped it. So did you know if you shut your mic down, you may lose your video? So we can have, you gotta stop recording. With the Insta360 Ace Pro and remote control microphone. I am going to turn my mic back on, and I'm going to, basically I froze the camera, and that's something I'm going to have to go back and see if I could do a replica of it. Now I'm going to do it again, take the microphone, I'm going to press it off and see if it stops recording. I got to be careful of that word. So here we go. It stops and shuts the recording down when it disables. Now that shouldn't happen. If your microphone loses power, depletes to 0% and turns off, your video is going to stop. So if your camera's out there on an airplane and you're inside and you're yipping and yapping and that power goes, so will the recording goes. Alright, so I enabled it again and I didn't press it this time. I allowed it to complete itself. So as I learn my camera and share my concerns out there, this is how the camera acts. Is a microphone something that you need to get? Well, if you're holding the camera in hand in this distance, then no, you really don't need a microphone. You can get all the sound around you. I'm probably on just the stereo sound of the camera. I'm not 100% sure, but I am in my highlighted spot. And when I am back over there, I kind of need a microphone so you can hear me. All right, I tried looking for the audio. I don't know where it's at. I swiped down, I looked on the two screens and in the cog in general, but I'm not going to sit here and try to figure it out right now. When this is connected, then I can hit the upper right hand side and start to choose my dB levels. It's something that I may find a little difficult to get to. With the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, all I gotta do is hit here and then hit the grayed out button. Normally things grayed out, you don't hit. And you can hit either one and it switches over and everything's over there for you. So I'm over here by the table. If I talk in my natural voice and not yell, you're not going to hear me. And what I'll do is I'll turn the mic off, and I still have to get close to the camera and do a audio to get it going, or a hand gesture to get it going. And sometimes that won't work with the camera, the hand gesture, if you're too close or if it's not in the light. Well, I am going to turn the mic off so this way you can get an idea. And we'll start the camera up again. So we're talking that same natural voice, and this is off altogether. No noise and no microphone. And I'm going to turn around and walk over here. Hear the natural sounds. I did this on my last video when I was out doing the barbecue test. Now I can't turn the mic on and have it enabled. It only does it on the next recording. An Insta360 is behind in times with the microphone. They need to look into it, get it going for the Insta360 Ace Pro 3. Oh, people are first getting used to the Ace Pro 2. And we're already talking about the Ace Pro 3. If I say it in a natural voice to begin and end the recording, it will work. Hand gesture won't work past here. So this is hand gesture. Hand gesture's not working. Stop recording. Borderline right here. Anything over here, stop recording. Stop recording. By the table works fine. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'll come close to the camera. And that's about it. Do that test. Now I am going to do another round or two. Talk a little bit more. Microphone will be in the off position, as you can see. The fur blocks the mic. Well, I guess that's a good thing for some. And maybe I will shave just a little bit around each of the corners so I can see my LEDs. I like to see things when they're supposed to light up. As we grab our camera, DJI will be the one that would start to, don't touch, don't touch me. That's what I said. But the hand gesture was why I shut the camera down. Careful with the words when you leave hand gesture and voice commands on. And not the camera's fault, user fault. I walk in the opposite way and I take it off of Leica Natural. And we're back on to standard. As you start to use portrait, night, film, urban, towards the very end, you'll find that they overexpose the shots depending on the shots and scenery you're in. And let me just back up a second because something caught my interest, and I want to say be careful about the rubber ring that goes around the lens. If you put it in your pocket and take it out of your pocket, you're going to lose it. And I lost mine and I came back to the car. Luckily I found it. I'm thinking of taking some, I don't want to use CA glue because CA glue would hire hard. I want to maybe take some Gorilla White glue with a little softer. And I don't have any foam cure glue anymore by BT JT Robbins from Hobby Lobby. When I look it up, I know exactly the glue. I would know the name of the glue. That's what I'm saying. And I may want to do that or just take it off and put it away. And if I take it off and I look at the camera, it almost resembles a GoPro. If I take off the windscreen and just look at it, it really looks like a GoPro in ways. The earlier models, the GoPro tried to make an optional flip-up screen. And yeah, that's what this reminds me of. Well, the lights are off, so you know what that means? Can I turn off low light while in pure video mode? Or do I have to be in video mode and I could turn on and off the light while recording? I don't think I'm allowed to do that. So I have to basically stop, shut the recording down, stop recording, and test out my theory when I added this video from video mode and no low light. I would have to go into the camera in a dark room where I turn it on and then go into a bright room and turn it on and see what it looks like. The only people that would know that answer is you. And to answer that question is, it will be back in Pure Video and Pure Video Plus if you are continuing recording on a low light shot. It will not be in the mode that you have chosen, because when I stop the whole video, it's now on video mode and the low light is shown on the side. But now it's off until I stop the camera, and then I will be able to go to playback and hit it. Hope you followed me on that one. All right, my camera was dimmed down some. I wanted to, START and capture the sound and the audio and the video of sanitation. So there you have it. You got a lot of video, and off we go. Well, I made a introduction and I'm very pleased with it, and I may just reverse it or do something a little different as an outro. I got my outro made and all that good stuff. How's this tree look to you? It's seen from a distance. And on that note, I'm Fish. It's time for me to get things going, go meet up with Joe. I got some important things to take care of, and off I go. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll catch you on the next Insta360 Ace Pro 2 video.